Welcome to Westowne Mazda, where our customers are like family.
Whether you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle,
or just need to service your beloved Mazda,
come to see us. We'll be happy to have you.
So, what would be quicker? The Mazda CX-5 diesel or the Mazda CX-9? Both vehicles have turbocharged four-cylinder engines, but as I mentioned, the CX-5 we're talking about here is the new turbo diesel. Now, the CX-9 has more power, so you think more power should definitely result in quicker acceleration. However, the CX-9 does weigh 200 kilograms more than the CX-5 diesel. So will that make a difference? Well, only one way to find out. Let's test both vehicles in our 0 to 100 km/h acceleration test. We'll start with the CX-5 diesel.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to Automotive Affairs and click the notification bell.